Hello guys, I will show you how to record YouTube Shorts video using OBS Studio. Let's start with simple steps. Go to OBS Studio here, click on it. Just second is opening. Yeah. After that, you can create add sources here using plus symbol. Click on it and click on display capture and give name YouTube Shorts video. Click OK. And after that also you can click OK, and right hand side you can see settings. Click on it and click on video. So here you can see aspect ratio is 16 is to 9. So it is for desktop or laptop screen recording. Suppose if you want to change to mobile recording, means it's YouTube short video recording, need to change the resolutions. Let's use 1080 1920. Same thing also use here. Now you can see aspect ratio is 9 is to 16, means we can now use for YouTube short video recording using OBS Studio. Click apply and OK. Now we can see mobile screen is coming. So here you can start the recording. Thank you watching for this video. See you guys on next video. Thank you.